Hey guys, it's Heather with Passion for Savings. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my Crockpot Taco Soup. This is a really simple recipe that I originally got from my mother-in-law. She used to make this all the time when we first got married. She would just throw everything into a big slow cooker, let it simmer all day, and then it was perfect for feeding a crowd. Anytime we had a large group of people getting together or all of our family coming over, she would put on a great big pot of taco soup, and then we would dress it up with things like chips, rice, lettuce, cheese, sour cream, avocado, all of the fixings that you would normally enjoy on tacos. It makes it so simple, so easy, and so delicious. So all you're gonna need is you're going to need about 2 pounds of ground beef. You wanna go ahead and cook that. A 32-ounce container of chicken broth, 2 or 3 cans of black beans, 1 can of whole kernel corn, 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, 2 cans of diced tomatoes. The last thing that you're going to add is your seasoning mix. You have a package of taco seasoning, and then you also have a package of ranch dressing mix. This gives it the amazing taco soup flavor, and it's also really simple because all you have to do is dump everything together. I'm gonna start by adding in my ground beef. Next, I'm gonna add 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Next, I'm gonna add in 2 cans of black beans and 1 can of whole kernel corn. And last, 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. I'm going to add in 1 package of taco seasoning and also 1 package of ranch dressing mix. Then the last thing we're going to add is a 32-ounce container of chicken broth. All right, the last thing we're gonna do now that we've added all of our ingredients is we're going to give this a good stir, and then we're going to cover with our lid and cook for about 4 hours on high. One of my all-time favorite ways to serve taco soup is over a pile of chips with guacamole, salsa, sour cream, lettuce, cheese, all the fixings that you love on all of your Mexican food. You guys are going to love this recipe. I promised you one of the simplest recipes ever to make. It's so easy, it's warm and delicious. It's perfect for feeding a crowd. I hope that you'll give this recipe a try, and I also hope that you guys will stick around because I'll be back with more awesome ways to save your time, your money, and your sanity. Have a great day.